Chapter 6 Retirement or Death of a Partner. Now, as per the Indian Partnership Act 1932, when a partner retires from a firm for any reason or a partner dies, the partnership ends, but the firm is not dissolved. Partnership end हो जाएगा with the retirement or the death of a one partner, but the firm will continue with the work. Remaining partner can continue the firm and its business. For this purpose, necessary accounting treatment of retirement are required to be given in the book of the firm. In this situation, partnership is reconstitute, it means reconstructed. Now here in this chapter, we will learn that one of the partner is getting retired or death. After the retirement or the death of one of the partner, what changes come in the firm? In the accounting aspects. Now here the accounting aspects and the accounting treatment. In the last chapter we learned the 5 steps, and here we are going to learn the 6 steps. The first 2 steps have a different question only, and from here we'll learn continuation of the big question. First we'll learn, now here in this chapter, if one of the partner is retiring or dead, obviously the remaining partner is going to gain. So here we will calculate new P&L ratio and the gaining share of continuing partner. This will be our step 1. Then the second step, valuation of goodwill, that how will give journal entry in the valuation of the goodwill. Third, revaluations of the asset and liability, that we already did from the last 2 chapters we are doing. So hope this will be really easy for you. Now distribution of accumulation reserve and undistributed profit and loss, that also be done, but here how it have been distributed between the remaining partner, that will learn. Determinations of the amount payable to retiring or deceased partner and the payment of the amount due to retire or deceased partner. So now this is the thing, theory work. You can pause the video or take a snapshot and you have to write down in your notebook. Here is the formula. In the last chapter we did a lot of formula, but here very simple, we are just going to find out gain ratio. For new ratio, here the formula will be old plus gain. I have put the new together is equal to old, and if we are taking over here plus gain. Then gaining share of continuing partner, that is share of retiring partner multiplied by gaining share given to respective partner. This will do as we solve the small question. Now here we'll start solving exercise from the page number 264 then 265. Here I mark step 1, that is question number 3, where we are going to learn to calculate new P&L ratio and the gaining ratio of the following question. First one is the X, Y and Z are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2, where Z is retiring. Now this is how you have to write down X, Y, Z, and the partner who is retiring, make a circle of it. So you can, while writing your solution only, you explain that one of the partner is retiring. Now here very simple, that after the retirement the ratio distributed among the continuing partner is not given. As we read the question, it is not given. So it is assumed that the continuing partner will continue to share their respective old P&L ratio. So no other information is given in the question. So X and Y, they are going to continue with to the respective their old P&L. So their new ratio of X and Y will be 5:3, as we don't have any other information. So gaining ratio will also continue with the 5:3. Moving to the next question, where we can see that A, B, C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/6 respectively. Now here there is a condition that if A retires, what happened? If B retires, what happened? And what if C retires, what happened? As we can see in the information, they have only given the old P&L sharing ratio. They didn't give any other information. So here will be the situation same as your first question. If it is given like this, you have to remove ratio. So I took the common number as a 6. As an LCM will multiply with the 3, 2 and the 1, and here I got the ratio that A is 3, B is 2 and C is 1. Here the first situation where A is retiring. So here I put A, B, C with their old ratio, and here A is retiring. So the B and C is going to continue with this old ratio as their new ratio and as their gain ratio. Same when B retires, again same the situation for the A and C. new ratio and gain ratio will remain 3:1. Same for the C. When C retires, I put the ratio and they will continue with the 3:2 because no any other information given for this. Then moving to the next question where we can see that PQR are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 40%, 20% and 40% respectively. Here Q is retiring and P is acquiring 3/20 and R is acquiring 1/20 from Q share. Now here this is the person who is going to retire. The remaining partner is going to acquire 3/20 from Q and 1/20 from Q. Now have to write the percentage. First I took the percentage, then I bifurcate them like that. I got 2/5, 1/5 and 2/5. So here I got the common number 5. So the ratio distributed between the partner is 2:1:2. Then I shown that this is the one of the partner who is going to retire. So here 2:2, here it is 1. Okay. Then here Q, from Q, P is acquiring 3/20 and R is acquiring 1/20. So this will be the gain of P will 3/20, it is already given, and gain of R is 1/20. Here only have to find out this is our new ratio. The formula is old plus new. Old ratio, that is 2/5 for P and for R 2/5. Plus the gaining, they already given in the question what they are acquiring from the Q, that is 3/20 and 1/20. Remove LCM and you will get 11 and 9 for P and R. So here we got the new ratio for P and R, 11 and 9, and gain ratio which is already given, that what they are acquiring from the retired partner, that is 3:1. Moving to the next question, fourth. M and O are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1, where M is retiring and N is acquiring 1/10 from M's share and the balance is acquiring by O. Now here is some of the information which we have to find out now. Now M and O, the partner is given their ratio 3:2:1, the total is 6, where for M, N is acquiring 1/10 and the balance is O. For now here we have to find out, there is a question mark. Now this is the formula. We'll see the solution for question number 4, where M is equal to N plus O. M ratio is 3/6, where N is acquiring from M, N 1/10 plus O don't know. So keep it O like that only. Then we can change the situation that O is equal to M minus N, where M value is 3/6 and N value is 1/10. Remove LCM of this and you will get answer 24/60, where we can cut it out with 6 4s and 10s. So here we got, so we can get the common for both of them. Here gaining ratio of N and O is 1/10 and 4/10. Then we'll find out the new share, where we keep the old ratio of N and O, that is 2/6 and 1/6. 2/6, 1/6, plus gain is equal to 1/10 of N and O 4/10. Now we'll remove LCM of it. I am taking common number 60, where it will be multiplied by 10 and here it will be multiplied by 6. 10 2s are 20, 6 1s are 6. Here we got 26/60. Here 60, again 10 and 6 are 10 1s are 10, 6 4s are 24. Here we got 34/60. If we cut with the 2 cut with, because 4 of the number is going to cut, so 1 3 and here 30, 2 1s are 47 and here comes 30. If we cut all of them, we need a common number, same for both of them, and here we got 13:17 as a new ratio. Moving to the next question 5, where we can see C, B and D are the partner sharing profit and loss ratio of 4:5:3, where D is retiring and his share is taken by C and B in the ratio of 2:1. Here all the information I wrote from the question number 5, where C, B, D are the partner with their ratio 4:5:3. Here D is retiring and the total of 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. Now from D, C and B is acquiring ratio is 3:1. Now here I am introducing the third formula, that is gaining share of continuing partner, means the continuing partner of the firm. is equal to share of retired partner multiplied by the gaining ratio of old partners. Now, gaining share of continuing partner. The continuing partner is C and B. Here I wrote C and B. Share of retiring partner. This partner who is retiring is 3 upon 12 with the share 3 upon 12. Now, gaining ratio of old partner, that is 2:1. So, here will come 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Remember, here the sign is multiplication. If you cut, you will get 2 upon 12 and here 1 upon 12. So, here gaining ratio of C and B is 2 upon 12 and 1 upon 12. Moving to the next, here we'll find out new ratio is equal to old plus gain. Now, old ratio of C and B, it is 4 upon 12 and 5 upon 12. 4 upon 12, 5 upon 12, and here we got 2 upon 12 and 1 upon 12. Gaining, that is this, C and B. Now, if we remove LCM, here obviously the common number will be 12. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 upon 12. Here, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 12. You can get, as the 4 number can get cut, 1s are, 2s are, 6 1s are, 6 2s are. So, here we got the new ratio, 1:1. Moving to the next question. Number 6. A and C are the partners sharing profit and loss ratio 3:5:2, where M is retiring and his share is taken up by C only. Now, here is the solution. Here are the partner with their ratio 3:5:2. Total of 3 plus 5 plus 2 is 10. Where M is retiring and here M is giving only to C, not to A. So, here we got the gaining ratio of A will be 0 and the C is going to get 5:10. Then put new share where we are going to put old ratio plus gain. Old ratio of A and C. A is 3 upon 10 and C is 2 upon 10. 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10. Plus A is not getting anything to 0. Here directly the answer of A of new ratio it is 3 upon 10. C is getting 2 upon 10 plus the gaining from M, that is 5 upon 10. If we remove LCM of this, we'll get the common number 10. 2 plus 5, 7. This is how we find out the 6th question. Moving to the next, 7th one. P, Q, R and S are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:3:2:1, where Q is retiring and his share of profit is gaining equally by R and S. Equally, so here we can assume at 1:1. Here I wrote all the information where I wrote the partners and their ratio. The partner who is retiring, the total of this 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. Here Q, R and S is equally acquiring share from Q. Here we'll put the ratio gaining share of the remaining partner is equal to share of retiring partner multiplied by the gaining ratio of old partner. Now, gaining share of remaining partner. Here the Q is given only R and S equally. So, don't write P because P is not getting anything. R and S only going to get. So, keep R and S. The share of retiring partner, that is 3 upon 10. Keep 3 upon 10 for both of them. Get multiplied. Now, what R and S is acquiring from Q? Equal proportion to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So, here we get 3 upon 20 and here also 3 upon 20. Then find out new ratio where we have to find out the remaining partners new ratio. So, here I wrote P, R and S. P is getting nothing. So, here P ratio will be 4 upon 10. Here R is getting gain of 3 upon 20. So, this will be, take a common number 20. 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 20. Here also 3 upon 20. So, here comes 20. Common number. 2 1s are 2 plus 3. So, 5 upon 20. Now, let's take it common. As we can see, P is getting 4 upon 10. 7 upon 20 for R and S 5 upon 20, that is P, R, S. Let it take it common. 2s are, 1s are, 1s are. 2 fours are 8:7:5. That's what the new ratio will be distributed between P, Q and R. P, R and S. Eighth question. M and O and P are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. N and P are retiring and N share is acquired by O and P share is acquiring by M. Now here N is also retiring and the P is also retiring. Now let's remove this all information into the solution. M, N, O, P, and I wrote their ratio. Here N also retiring and P is also retiring. Now in the line what is written, that N share is acquired by O and P share is acquired by M. N share acquired by O, that is N share is 3/12 which is acquiring by O, and P shares is acquired by M, whereas the P share is 2/12 which is going to be given to M. Now therefore the gaining ratio is totally given, that M is 2/12 and O is getting 3/12. That is their gaining ratio. Then we'll find out the new ratio, that is old plus gain. The old ratio of M and N, that is remaining partner. These two have been retired, ये दो बच गए, right? तो M और O जो फॉर्म चलाने वाले हैं उनको रख दो. Old ratio of M is 5/12 here and O's ratio is 2/12, old ratio. Get them plus, and here they have a gain ratio 2/12 of M and 3/12 of O. Remove LCM and you will get 7:5. Moving to the next question, number 9. Question number 9. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 1/2, 30% and 1/5 respectively. Now B share is taken over by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. Now here is the solution I wrote, where I wrote the partner's name and their ratio which is given in the question. Then I removed 30% into 30/100. Then make a cut, 1/2, 3/10, 1/5 which is remain. Then I took a common number 10, 2 multiplied by 5, 10 ones are and 5 twos are. 5 ones are 5, 1 threes are 3 and 2 ones are 2. And this is what the ratio I found for the old partner, that is 5:3:2 with the total 10. Here is the partner B is retiring, where A and C is acquiring into 3:2. Next step is to find out gaining share is equal to share of retiring partner multiplied by the gaining ratio of the old partner. Now share of retired partner, that is B, is 3/10. Keep 3/10 for both of the partner. Gaining ratio of the remaining partner is 3:2. So 3/5, 2/5. As we multiply, here we get 9/50, 6/50. That's what I found gain. Now new is equal to old plus gain. Old of A and C is 5/10 and 2/10. 5/10 and 2/10. Then to put gain, that's just now we find out, that is 9/50 and 6/50. Here we'll remove LCM, take a common number 50, 10, 5s are 5 5s are 25, 1 9s are 9. Here again we'll take common number 50, 5 2s are 10, 1 6 are 6. So here we'll get 34/50 and here 16/50. These are the number can come into the table of 2. So here we can cut with 25, 2, then 2 1s are 17, here 2 8s are and here 25. So this is how we make it. If each and every number is getting cut, then only do this, okay? Otherwise keep whatever you have found out. Moving to the next question number 10, where A, B and C are the partners sharing their profit and loss into 5:3:2. Yet B and C is sharing profit in the ratio 40% and 60% after the retirement of A. Now here they have written sharing profit. Now here I distribute the information A, B, C, where they are getting 5:3:2. Total is 10. Now here the profit sharing ratio of B and C is given 40% and 60%. Remember, they have given profit sharing ratio, not the acquiring ratio which after the retirement of A, B and C is getting. They have given profit sharing ratio is almost the new ratio they have given. Now here B and C is getting 40% and 60%. I remove it like that, 40 upon 100 and 60 upon 100. The 0 will cut, 2 2s and 5s, 2 3s and 5s. So here I got the ratio 2:3 and that is your new ratio, 2:3, total is 5. So 2 upon 5 for B and C is getting 3 upon 5. So here I can take a common 10, 2s, 2 2s, 4, 1, 1 3s, 3. So here I got 1 upon 10. Next, again I will take common number 10, 2 3s, 6 minus 1 2s, 2. Here 4 upon 10. That's it. Here we finish question number 10. Moving to the question number 11. That is A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1. C is retiring and the new profit loss sharing ratio of A and B is decided at 7:5. Now it means here they have already given you the new ratio. So here I wrote the information ABC. Old ratio is 3:2:1. The total is 6. New ratio is already given in the question, that is 7:5. 7 plus 5 it is equal to 12. So here we got old ratio and new ratio. So new ratio is already given in the question. So only have to find is gain ratio, where we put the new ratio 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 12 of A and B minus their old ratio 3 upon 6 of A and 2 upon 6 of B. Then we'll remove LCM. Here the common number will take 12. Here 2s are. And here 1s are. 1 7s are 7 minus 2 3s are 6. Here we got 1 upon 12. Here again 12 common. 1 5s are 5 minus 2 2s are 4. Again we got 1 upon 12. Moving to the next question number 12. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit in the ratio 4:1. The following journal entry for goodwill is passed at the time of retirement of B. Now here A, B, C old ratio is given 4:1, but by looking at the journal entry, here B is retiring and the part of B is getting by A and C in the ratio of, by cutting this ratio, because here B is retiring and A and C is acquiring in the part of, just cut the 0, 2 3s and 2 2s, you will get the ratio of 3:2. Here I wrote all the information with the partners ratio and B's part of share, A and C is acquiring 3:2 part from the B. Here I put the formula where we have to find out gaining share and share of retiring partner into the gaining ratio of old partner. Share of retiring partner is 5 upon 10, that I put for both the partner A and C. Then the multiplication sign, the gaining ratio of old partner, here A and C is gaining into 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. So here I put the information, get them multiply, 5 3s are 15, 10 5s are 50, 5 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. After getting gaining, we'll find out new ratio where I put the old plus new. The old ratio is of A is A upon 4 upon 10 and C is 1 upon 10. So here I put the old ratio, then the gain, that is 15 upon 50 and here 10 upon 50. Here we'll take common number 50, that is 10 5s and 50 1s are. 5 4s are 20, 1 15s are 15. Here I got 35 upon 50. Next again common number 50, 5s are and 1s are. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 10s are 10. Here we got 15 upon 50. Now these four numbers are going to cut in the table of 5. It is all common. So 5 7s are, 5 10s are, 5 3s are and 5 10s are. So this is what 7:3 we got in the question number 12. Moving to the last, that is question number 13 for the first step, where A, B, C and D are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:3:2:1, where C is retiring and after the retirement of C, A will maintain his old profit share. So A is not getting anything from C, and the remaining partner B and C is going to acquire from C in the ratio 3:1, because it is no other any information is given. So here is the solution for question number 13, where I wrote the partners and their old ratio. The total is 10, and here it is written that after the C retirement, A will maintain his old profit share. So from C, B and C is going to acquire in the ratio 3:1. I'm taking the old only, is equal to 4. Then find out the gaining share, where we write the share of retiring partner, that is C, 2/10, which I kept for both the partner. Gaining ratio of the old partner, that is 3:1, 3/4 and 1/4. Here is the solution to find out gaining share. Then I put the new ratio for the old remaining partner A, B and D, where A is not getting anything. I am going to maintain as per the old share, that is 4/10. Then for B, here I put the old ratio of B and D and their gaining ratio. So here we'll get the common number 40. 4s are and 1s are, 4 3s are 12, 1 6s are 6. Here I got 18/40. Again we'll take common number 40. 4s are and 1s are, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 2s are 2. Here I got 6/40. Now if we want we can cut them out as well, but first we'll take all together, that is 4/10, 18/40 and 6/40, that is A, B and D. To take the common number here equal, so here I am taking common 40 into 4, 4 4s are 16 is to 1 into 18, it is 18, 1 into 6, it is 6. So this is what the new ratio, that is 16 is to 18 is to 6. This number can also cut from in the table of 2. 2 8s are, 2 9s are and 2 3s are. This is what the ratio, new ratio 8 is to 9 is to 3 of A, B and D. This is the end of the step 1 in the retiring and death of a partner.